All right, let's do a tarot reading tonight for your own personal message. But instead of like just seeing what your message is, let's like make the tarot do what we want it to do. And we use it to make magic happen for us and to manifest whatever we want into reality. Tonight I'll draw 3 cards and make a wish. And the tarot will make the wish come true. And the wish will be for those person out there who's looking for true love and needing true love and romance and passion in their life. Whether it be in the relationship you already have or with somebody who you haven't met yet, your soulmate, something like that. But romance, love, passion, attraction, lust, fun lust. All right, let's see what the cards we get. 3 cards. Make the tarot. Bring us love, true love. Five of Pentacles. I'll tell you what it all means at the very end. Three of Cups. Six of Swords. All right, let's do the Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles shows a married couple who sticks by the wedding vows. It's through sickness and through health, through better or for worse, for richer or for poor, they stick together no matter what. Even through the tough times, they go to the church for refuge and the church brings them in. But it's like whenever they need help, they don't make it like come between them. They stick together no matter what, through the toughest of times. When things get real, that's when you know who your real friends truly are, or your real true love. Three of Cups. Three of Cups, it shows a celebration of the harvest. Now this is like whenever you get to celebrate, you have a good harvest at the end of the year, right before the winter time. And so they're celebrating life together. They're celebrating not dying in the winter. And it gives them hope and optimism for a new season ahead. And at this time, they sit together and go, you know what? I couldn't have done it on my own. I couldn't have done it without you. You know, we've been through the ups and downs of this whole season, and we put in all the time and the effort and the risk, and we just, at some points, you know, we had our ups and downs, and, you know, we really come along so far. And I really want to continue this life going forward with you by my side. Like I couldn't see myself doing it without you. It's a true appreciation and valuing the other person for the help that they give you. And then they also, at the same time, they acknowledge you for all the good that you've done and how you're like perfect partner for them. And then last card, Six of Swords. This shows a man coming into a woman's life and she's like down in her, like feeling like ashamed. You know, like she allowed things to go a little bit too far. And she's kind of stuck in a rut into like a rough patch. And this man comes back into her life and he steers her out of the rough water into the clear. And she can connect to her child. And then sometimes she even connects to her inner child. But then she steers into the clear where she can get her life straight. And she can start thinking clearly. And then she can like transition into a better life or better life situation. So it's like someone who always wants the best for you. And they give you sort of a wake-up call when you've gone a little too far or you've done something or nothing and you're just not really like progressing. And so they wake you up and they tell you what you need to hear, like a good friend would tell you. And they start to transition your life for the better. And they want to help. But they stick together no matter what. See, it's like the family. Or it's just someone who like metaphorically is connecting to their inner child. That this person brings back that light within you and puts you back on your path to like your purpose and fulfillment, and kind of taps you into that like hidden potential or the potential you're not tapping into. That's true love. Someone who really cares and wants you to progress and wants you to like, you know, show your talents, make money off your talents, bring fulfillment because of your talents. True love. All right, just like to see those people in the comments who this resonated with, and also to see if it came true, and to those who it did.